To complete the education credits section in TurboTax Online, you will need to understand and complete IRS Form 1098-T. This form is used to report qualified tuition and related expenses paid to an eligible educational institution. First, gather your Form 1098-T, which you should have received from your educational institution by January 31st of each year. The form will show the amount of qualified tuition and related expenses you paid in the previous tax year. Next, log into your TurboTax Online account and navigate to the Education Credits section. You will be prompted to enter the information from your Form 1098-T. Start by entering the student's name and the name of the educational institution. Then, enter the Box 1 amount from your Form 1098-T, which represents the total payments received by the institution for qualified tuition and related expenses. You may also need to enter the Box 5 amount, which represents any scholarships or grants received by the student. After entering this information, TurboTax Online will guide you through a series of questions to determine if you are eligible for education credits, such as the American Opportunity Tax Credit or the Lifetime Learning Credit. It is essential to answer these questions carefully, as the credits can significantly reduce your tax liability. For example, the American Opportunity Tax Credit can provide a credit of up to 100% of the first $2,000 of qualified tuition and related expenses, and 25% of the next $2,000. Finally, review your information carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. You can also use TurboTax Online tools to check for any errors or discrepancies. By following these steps, you can easily complete the education credits section in TurboTax Online and take advantage of the tax savings available to you. Remember to keep a copy of your Form 1098-T and any other supporting documentation with your tax records, in case of an audit or other inquiry. By understanding and completing IRS Form 1098-T, you can maximize your education credits and minimize your tax liability.